Hey everybody, Jim from Reach here. I'm out for a bike ride. I'm out actually at Root River County Park, and there is no mountain biking a lot on the trails here, so I'm going to turn around and head back. So I rode here from Stewartville. Decided I want to get a little bit longer ride than around town in today. So I have done, our last couple of videos have been referring to the Pikes Peak Marathon. By far my favorite race. Pikes Peak starts in Manitou Springs. It is 26.2 miles, climbing on the bar trail to the summit of Pikes Peak and back down. It climbs about 8,000 feet in elevation over 13 miles on the bar trail, where you turn around and head back down exactly where you came. So being from southeast Minnesota, I'm a flatlander. I have no chance of training at altitude, although I haven't had serious issues there most years. And why is that? Well, I like to credit it to being Minnesota tough, and very specifically Minnesota weather tough. Weather contributes to that quite a bit. So in the winter I try to get in a lot of miles when I've been in great shape. I don't see winter as a time to back down because of the weather. I see it as an opportunity to gain mental and physical toughness because of running in the dark and running in the cold and having to bundle up. Likewise, I see running in the summer in our heat and humidity as a great opportunity to develop both mental and physical strength. So while I can't run at altitude, I can run hills that we have here. I can run Garvin Heights and Winona. I can go to Northern Heights Drive in Rochester. But even though those are large hills, they are not going to contribute in a way that I need in order to succeed at Pikes Peak. So Pikes Peak is the third week in August, which for me is a huge advantage because we all know, if you're from Minnesota, it does get really, really hot and humid here. And the second year I went out to Pikes Peak, I went with Lee Weinhold, and we totally lucked out that summer. Beginning, around the 4th of July that year, we had a string of about 6 weeks, maybe a little bit longer, of 90 plus degree temps, closer to 100 every single day, along with extremely high humidity. So when he was done with work and I had time late in the afternoon, early evening, we got out and we ran 6, 8, 10, 12 miles in the extreme heat, in the extreme humidity. And we didn't see it as, because the weather being so crummy, as something that we wanted to avoid. We saw it as an opportunity, again, for both mental and physical strength. So my challenge for you today, if you're looking to improve yourself physically, I'm not saying to be reckless here, because extreme heat and extreme cold are not really safe for you if you're not ready for them. But don't shy away from it so easily. Use it to your advantage. Running in the extreme heat or in the extreme cold, and with the humidity, with the weather that we've got here, can play to your advantage. Drink enough water, make sure that you're dressed appropriately for either the heat or the cold, and take precautions. Make sure that you are physically well enough to do that, but take that situation to your advantage. Make yourself Minnesota weather tough. It will help you. It'll make you stronger both mentally and physically. We all have an opportunity like today to make ourselves Minnesota tough. What are you going to do with that opportunity? I wish you well. Talk to you soon.